Hey there, savvy investors! Are you ready to step up your crypto game? Then listen up, because today I'm diving into the impressive SafePal wallet. Click the link in the description below to get your discount and secure your crypto today. Let's get started. SafePal wallet is a cutting-edge hardware wallet designed to keep your cryptocurrency assets safe and sound. It supports over 10,000 tokens and coins, including all your favorites like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin. So, what makes SafePal stand out in the crowded crypto wallet market? For starters, it's security. SafePal wallet uses an air-gapped signing mechanism, meaning it's never connected to the internet. This crucial feature ensures your digital assets are insulated from online threats. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about usability. SafePal wallet comes with an intuitive mobile app, making it super easy to manage your portfolio on the go. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned investor, the app's user-friendly interface will have you navigating like a pro in no time. And here's a feature that's bound to catch your eye. SafePal wallet is backed by Binance Labs. This affiliation not only adds credibility, but also integrates seamlessly with Binance DEX for smooth, hassle-free trading. What about the physical design? SafePal wallet is sleek and compact, fitting perfectly in your pocket. It's built to last with a durable, high-quality casing. Plus, it comes with a recovery sheet to back up your private keys, providing an extra layer of security. So, why should you choose SafePal wallet? It's simple. You get top-notch security, ease of use, and the backing of a trusted name in the crypto world. It's the ultimate tool for anyone serious about protecting their crypto assets. Ready to take control of your crypto? Don't wait. Click the link in the description below to get your discount and secure your SafePal wallet today. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!